Akoman Radio. All right, Akoman 97.1. Yes, yes, yeah, Bob, it's not BM. Akoman Global Sports. And then every year, and a party in Kassa, yeah, live commentary. I brought all the way from Doha, Qatar, Abu Dhabi to precise. I say the Black Stars of Ghana now face to Switzerland, where international friendly airport now face to the CC at home. Now, when we say that, give me the call, yeah, give me the corner, yeah, it's Ghana 2, Switzerland 0. Actually, I'm ranting a boy, Ghana foot, do one account once him. But when they say, I'm the World Cup on the BFA. I can't hear my back, come here, the come on, say, see. Yeah, I mean, you say, coach, you told the technical team, no, almost to Russia, Saudi, you know. You're not face, you're giving them on, come on. I know that Ghana Premier League match is second, so the results in Ababa. And a big game back, we to you across Sports Stadium. And also, yeah, the Baba. For my Michael said, no, a year, middle like about tea. I need a question, Christina Clinic, Fako Faba. Sansuro Pinter about tea, Minta about tea. Nina non sono Omukraimu, Regenus Hotel, Adum Live Band, Coach Kojak Oraken Pro Code, Quick Credit and Investment Microcredit Limited. I want kind of cry moon every year. Did you make the neighbor? Executive producer Ira Kofi Anton Bafo. That was sports Nana Kofi Okorie man. Samson Akrobia Santi Ofia. DJ Zigibi, DJ Donzi, DJ Vibe. DJ Kelvin and Ponta Eddie. Call me AK the boss player. And I'm here Joma Eddie Jumedi Nepa. You're corner man and Samapa. And then you're Ghana and Kwana Bobo. My old only be boy. And you may see Biba Ball. Robbie had the matches in Ababa. And the results they told John upon and saw the Baba. Some Kakra woman and so Bibu Mudia Mao. Who still your walk up in him. I might be arrive our year door Carter. And they be do a bit to be so much now. You know, I'm a bonny and a crop behind the Baba. And it's Amon Kuchu. On WhatsApp line and the Jumani WhatsApp line and messages and all the bar for 0551 667755 0551 667755. What a flower, no WhatsApp, no, you're making kind of amount. I would report super self friends, so I bet you afraid of fall. On a normal call, no say 0205 818 748 0205 818 748. Join your live and soon on Facebook, Akoman Radio 97.1. May Facebook, Akoman Radio 97.1. YouTube and soon join your live, Akoman Radio 97.1. Okay, na like your page, you know. See me say like your page, you know. Na share, for front soon you been share. Subscribe on YouTube. Na beka Akoman ebusiano. Ekona mama Krobia Santiago aba. And here two area Akoman ane. But I will happy birthday and confirm Nana Equia Asa. Nana Equia Asa Sapoma Taco. Nana Equia and L 1 year. Nana Equia Asa Sapoma Taco. And then 1 year. With through Umami, Madame Dillian. Yes, Madame Dillian on Ebusiano and old Papa. Adofonia, someone will show happy birthday. Nana Equia Asa Sapoma Taco. Happy birthday, confirm Nana Equia. I'm going to no you can see I'm on you for domo kwa domo. And then near Busia, Mammy, and I feel so that the phone and I catch it on an Equia. Happy birthday. Krobia Tennessee, Mamma Kwaba, Krobia said, Bibia, come on.
Ekoba dia down, Bibia, ya kama. Ha, ya wa hodin. ya wa hoden o si papo boni o yemfa seda na ma no ntide koye ne de ankoye nyina ya ba betena na mogedi afurisa ne nko ade na chese o se wo nkwa o ade ntide pese ye wa asase su bia no eye possible se ye betumi aye ansa na edani du a no a pese ne no on tun sanfa friend ne betena Abraham Kukuma o Abraham Kukumu betena o o jidi se
me betena jani sani faso ne jani sani
o jidi se betena Abraham Kukumu
ti me se jani sani faso na me betena and no one answer now
Iti oh okay inti senia wa abrabo ni bibia ni ye Janice fani nsaso
no say no na man yetu
anamona
ya for God and country nti anamona yetu na no na mo baby ya betia but the best tweri ampon
yes
something na on fan cheyen na ni yensu ntu ana won kwana ni because ni sani fa no so de ya betina
twin rooms one nyada
yeah ro Bridget Bridget tutu.
Oh okay.
Service for Tite Kwachi Hospital.
Okay.
And Bridget Yasiru auntie. Papa.
Na ene ono amuko fi Asante Bempo. Me ame wo fa ne ba.
Ba.
Abaya waketwa no. Unse da no adana.
No very much.
Yes.
I don't know all them time and
Mabina.
Okay.
Mabina. Ba dodo na de wo mo friend Annabelle. Na
can I hear the
oh okay.
Annabelle.
Oh, okay, Annabelle. Ha, intino.
Annabelle. Krabia Sante.
Yes. Intino birthday kase pa enko enfama Mabina Annabelle na bibia enso yen kama Nyankopon entono nkwem. Omani menyin no beye abofrapa. Antonkoso ambe yo panipa embebo ama Ghana nso nkanko no enso enkoso ombe yo panyina ndey dachi bia ono so ba bebo ama man konkron Ghana ya brabo ye mbibia no etumi akoso obe first lady kra no a ana se gender minister no ni nyina ye na bibia etumi aye kamanti no mabra happy birthday pa enso enko emfa mawuntie kene ye be hwe unze Black Stars ye twedi ye chawo medi kra oh masa
and the social media
masa ye chawo medi ye kan panyinofo na de bia ye kan weki ye mpehye wo mo pa mode sa taxpayers o minus mudi munkodi ye mpehye sa ye mpehye ye nim friendly game Ghana no say African Brazilians ye nim friendly game ni ye nim competitive game Brazilians you so friendly matches awo bo nyina wo win ni nyina ye competitive wo win ni nyina ntinu ye African Brazilians dia na wo say ye no de ye pebibia nti wo kwi omko win games ni mayen na bibia ntumi anye kama nti ye be share few games any international matches so far as a country a onko World Cup wo friendly match a ene ye mmoso
but say Portugal ni Nigeria
say Portugal ko World Cup
Nigeria so onko World Cup
there be say Portugal no na ma ho na ehiam ono no de ne ho akoforo wontia be ko ye Nigeria ne South Africa ye mmoso wa ha sa nti ye be hwe no kakra na ne
no di nkomo onye adwuma no wonim needful no
okay na ne ya ba be hwe World Cup diaries no and na 4 countries ne ye de wo mu nyina eba your man Costa Rica ye be hwe Costa Rica ne ya hwe Germany the Diamond Shaft Germany wo mo so the second most successful club so far as our World Cup we concern inti ye be hwe wo mo enepa mpanifo kukudam ye be hwe wo mo ye hwia ne akwa no Belgium and Canada Belgium ne Canada wo mu golden generation we afi ne be wuo
beberebe film
2018 wo mu de ko pie mu third place ba ho hwe baby Aventos ne ada very de nomne Lukaku numu ne Hazard nomne Carrasco be ye din se baby America ne kodu ha ye ne won e bia be ko be den sa anhwa ye ne won be ko ntino ye be hwe wo kakra na efe ya banteke famitu Famitu.
El Chicharito. Ahí la tiene Torrado. Torrado la juega por abajo, el arquero sale, la tiene Gio. No hay arquero. ¿Quién le pega? ¡Gio! ¡Golazo! ¡Poema de gol! Apago la luz y me voy.
Right, so come on 97.1. Come on Global Sports. And Bredu say the creme de la creme tidbit around the world of sports. No, Baba Dan you for near show for Nana Kofi or Korea Jman Eki. Any DJs give you one more Atanasi Atro Junior Milkrunche, Ediegun Krata, so Semen Kono Quantin Cronam for Manfo Cruise Semino, and from Betan you for any show for Urimu or all the social media platforms at Jumejin Sono, Chegu, our horses say I can't say radio no Babaye audiovisual and Tenewutino now so share. Now we need the clear vivid understanding of the stories are jetting in and so at the anti social media no, especially on Facebook ni YouTube no Jumeti no and so Chegu to both remove our search bar or common radio 97.1 or Facebook udu ana ne wetumi agya comment or Black Stars of Ghana to me wini wo final preparation game our mudi remu ahead of any the mundial and also betumi akoso wo Qatar wo wetumi wini by 2-0 against Switzerland national team no enti wo de wadwen kire so no eba oto adu team no any players ne modern bo nyina o de pa na ene unso wetumi like wepia share ama wo diaspora ni nyina enso etumi adwen feed no ama nioma so no etumi akonkan similar na remu o YouTube so a okoma 971 eno nso etwegu ma nioma ni nyina enso etumi adede din wo ye be hwe friendly matches a odro a the 32 countries a wo ba be participate in the mundial enso wo Qatar no friendly matches and say preparatory games a wo mo bo ni nyina ye the results a odro no enso ba be tugwa ne ye wia ye boeremu e wo World Cup diaries na nei ya hwe se de nioma so ebetua ko na bibia so no etumi aye kama e ho no ma ye betua tom na ya hwehwe nsem na odro na nioma so etumi aka ehu kama na kai se ye ko no enye ye nkwa ne ye ko bibia ye tu a na ye ne abofo mienu ekuku dampa wo mu odu wo mu nani no wo mu so bom ekiri dom ameta mo no ne sem no etumi abe ya Adom Live Band Adom Live Band se bra ene dwumedi awodro a wudi nyina dwumedi bia ni Ghana ene obetumi aye without music intina ne football kra ye bo kra na ye music ne ntwene ne band ne ade bumbo ye buboma ne ada vuvuzelas nyina enso ani nemu ama dwumedie bia enso etumi aye kama say ye funerals weddings parties any other ceremonial event bia ene unso wo hwe say wo behia band live band a wo mo betumi aba bebo all the Genesis music na bibie etumi aye kama wo kan about gospel ene wo kan about gospel reggae wo kan about hip hop ni nyina wo mo ba bebo ama dwumedie etumi aye super fantastic ho no ya Adom Live Band na make Jama we kropem ana wo muso ebutu ehobetuma friend penifo aginchirim dudro na enso wo 0242267538 0242267538 na bibia so etumi aye kama ye friwa na ye boyeni enso dia kire Richness Hotel eho ene bia ya upe baby pa ada pa agye wa home na ama bibia tumi aye kama ye Richness Hotel a ene wo mo ma wo services a eno so emu ohuan papa oba be pie mu ehwa ye executive rooms a eno so akire wudibre ene onkanko bibia ho so wetumi akwakodu abrabo mu wuremu a executive rooms e wo ho twin rooms ehon so ehon kwa no da de bia twin rooms ehwa no da ne kwa de ontumi da sanso ana standard rooms economy rooms e wo ho ugwa akoda no na wa sorry sese makacho se weather no unse climate no esasa nti so bi catch us mountains ejo formas ese owia no etumi boa na utikrampo pile enti enum sa no na unso wetumi ato ho ato swimming pool nim na wadwadware bia na ne o matumi aye kamanti swimming pool a eni ondam krotin bibia e kama sanso na conference room be meetings awodo and mu amoba be ye meetings akese moba be hia obi ho ba be lunch book obi ho ba be ye awards night bi ene sanyo mani nyina ukokopie mu e wo conference room a ene no Richness e provided amawa kakraka na unso wetumi edi oduma restaurant ni nyina enso ewum na chese wo ye bibia ho ugware udidi uye bibia na bibia enso etumi ai kama edukrom ekuapem ana wo mu so wo mubutu a wo mo offer services a eno nso emu hwam papa na obetumi afrem panifo na wo makasa aginchirim dodo na ene asemfoforo bia wote na ubisa no enso ewo 0503 337788 0503 anase uyiso MTN nso na bia ya fo Vodafone na wombetu bebredi a eno nso no MTN nso say na tie 0244 333373 0244 na nyoma nso etumi ai kama ntu kura Voda na wotumi afre Voda op MTN na wa frame MTN na bibia etumi ai kama enso wo Richness Hotel o say home with nature say abodi nyansapemu ni ama bia enso egugu ho ama nyoma etumi akonkan ya be hwe ndrada matches awodra eni no World Cup national teams no wo mu so etumi aboboy e de boy ma nyoma nso no etumi konkan ehwa Czech Republic enso etumi ehye ene Faroe Island by 5-0 womo etumi ensimu agye ehwo sanso na Argentina enso etumi etena fie anase womo etuhia ene United Arab Emirates anase yes UAE enso ebo meka no enum Di Maria Bogo, Lionel Andre Messi, Bogo, Julian Alvarez, Womunina Yatumi Tontana, Ede Eboa, Ene de Abi Selesi of Ene Argentina, Womusu to me as I go snow, and so to me Ede Koi Oman. Oman, Massa Germany, send them where they walk up Mubeko Fintem. Mubeko Fintem, Papa, Oman, Utumi more over 1.5. Womu share Oman 1-0, and no pay and Sunigua, Womu to me Eshe, Poland and Sono, and Chile. Poland to me Eshe, go to Nel, Chile to me and Simu Ajay El Honoma, Womu say to me, Hedis Avino, and say to me Eko in Sweden and Sono, Eko Bo Mexico by Enenu 2-1. Womu so Ediko Italy, no money a day taking Munina Bobby by one more World Cup, intended Womujume Dinosono, Yadibu Baby Nana Yansi Atako so, Ashe Ene the important fixtures are. And so to me to Togo and na games out on and so gugu ebe to me akoso na uremu and so it was Said Stadium eho ana Ghana Black Stars one more tonsa at the fresh Switzerland one more so national team no ama one more against na so Ghana Black Stars at the end of the 90 minutes of soccer fiesta Ghana Black Stars 2 Switzerland and so 0 our branch friend Antoine Semenyo wa boni derby goal and I said the first goal at Ghana Black Stars Mohamed Salisu and so to me abodi goal and so at Ghana Black Stars eneno enumonyam no so to me aba ama nyoma nso no konkan ho to ado manager ono nso guso a otutunia mama bibia nso no asumdwe tumi aba fie ho no a yete ho sem no eba ewie mu ayekọ eni na nwumre so games a wodo na betumi ato aso Japan etonsa e dia frɛ eni Canada na wo nso etumi e dia bɔ sanso na Iraq nso no eni Costa Rica sa game wey mpanifo etumi atwam tintanton enya ade beba so Jordan eni Spain ana airball La Roya fo no ana airball na Morocco nso no eni Georgia nso ebetumi abo honom a yete ho nsem ni nyina enso ede eba honom na Brazil wo mu wedi under 20 hu se na Brazil na wo mu game a bebo Brazil kira baby okona du no yem player bi pra ye ho be kire nti friendly match wo mu tumi cancel ama Brazil nso kira ye mbo hwe nyame ya ntade Ghana ene yem players no bia ho son sa abrobe nti no nso no Portugal wo mu nso ene Nigeria ana ene no ebo 6:45 PM sharp na Portugal nso no ene Nigeria so ebo friendly game a eno so ye de ahonsem ni nyina enso e de eba ibepo evremu yebepo evremu na eneyi ye nga hwese de nyoma nso no enso na before yebekọ no onemu se Adom live band egusu a ebo ye chidom sanso ana Richness Hotel wo mu nyina egusu a wo mu ebo a ahwese nyoma nso no ebetumi akonkan a ye de ensem dodo na enso e de eba na yebesi before then no onemu se we no ye de World Cup diary no ebetumi ato aso saa ye de to aso World Cup diary no ye de to aso amamwa ne Blasters abogem ye beba ne abehwe games ni ne ade Ghana Premier League nso no match day 7 results outdo na to me to toso endrada enenso matches ni bi wo ho enti ye beba nsam dodo na ewo fia ye betumi aba abehwe enti ye bekọ World Cup diary ni so na ye nga akọhwe se de enyoma so no ebesi ede akọ ye kọ World Cup diary na obedwen wo Facebook Facebook unse radio no na se audio visual enye television ko na se no ubetumi atenechi ahwehwe nioma ni nyina enye sa de biara da intene wodwan wo Facebook a ene wutie sebi se weni nya ubetie 97.1 Okuma radio sanso ana sebi se wasonso nya uremu wo Facebook a Okuma radio 97.1 eno ye where sebi wasonso enhye dante asem na wonso wahwe ne footages no ene pictorials no na wonso wetumi ate nsem no a ene yedi ni nyina enso ede banasi ntini eke obetina se na wejai na bibie etumi aye kama nsa na ya boetwemu na ene no ye de World Cup diaries no no etumi edi abanti Richness Hotel ene Adom live band na wo mo bombe chidom ama meti amono ne nsem tew ni nyina etumi eba ede ebedan ye betwen ho na mejemu diama eke ye ba ne fe no ye de World Cup diaries ne so no etumi aba aba hihye so enso ede amam na bibia no etumi aye kama ntimi jemu diama eke na dwumedi awodro no nso no eguso atoaso
okay entina crop ya mana ne nsem kakra no anani ono nso area ba enche betwa en waba na say World Cup diaries no eno nso no nyina no ene crop ya nso no etumi area brain ewo dwumedi no nso ba me ka say ene no WhatsApp messages no 0551 667755 0551 667755 and your WhatsApp messages and also all the bower Beji Brenna Finsono Yakin Kind and also no at the Amao you see you try a homra on you try a hoba there's a World Cup diaries and also no yet to me Eddie Abba.
Higher, higher, higher. Yeah. Higher, higher, higher. You know what it is. Higher, higher, higher.
Yeah, the 64 games need now live commentary at the air, bro. Our Okuman Radio 97.1.
Achadi need ye break predict a win ebekosu during the live commentary on Okuman 97.1.
Shannon so say Okuman yanko kata jumadi no yerebe brel ewo aboboano.
Sa opasa samre oboy e chidoma ubetimi afre number se didi suwe 0549012454 and 0246435565. Restaurant, bars, eye ankrankra samre mupasa muboy e chidom akonya wo homa mo se mo be frɛ ne enu madi nsa wo so yanko kata 2022 ewo Okuman 97.1 radio
Okuman yanko kata World Cup 2022 eni enhia
Intino any insiana and you know yanko kata let's say we hot oven offler construction Okuman radio yanko kata 2022 World Cup diaries you know Krobia and Sono Erepa. Krobia, young room World Cup diaries.
Yes, my name said I didn't kind 4 national teams. I do Mudino and so Edia Bana or history kakra and so far as a FIFA World Cup on Sono Air consent. I remove the 22nd edition of this competition and asset tournament, you know, and so a consent. Yabesha Germany, the Diamond Shaft, you know, Yabesha more records, Kakrani, Yabesha Costa Rica, and so more records near Burim Belgium, and Canada. If you know you're the appropriate 4 national teams and a near Babeshe, Womusu Abakwasem Kakra, Womusu to me make it so far as a FIFA World Cup on so and so a year concerning the kind ye be remove our Germany national football team no na young to me Ashimu Ekakra our Honomona Germany national team no ube say 4 stars and so edit that one more badge no and as a crest no said the free ni bianso no correct nature say 4 and 8 stars edit that meaning say one more to me win World Cup no and brand 9 so 4 times and I one way to me AJL the second most successful national team so far as a FIFA World Cup on so no a year concern El Honomona one more Abodin and I say nickname no and so the Diamond Shaft sa and they know what woman and I said the team and also and no and I said DFB 11 nina ofre woman and also a Germany national team no woman so Abodin no association no a Duce football band DFB any one association name woman so cry or Germany or confederation no woman UEFA Europe and a woman so our head coach or the one call former Eneno Bayern Munich coach or do one to me Champions League papa a friend of Hansi Flick or no any head coach or dim penny for no so no echo after say Joachim Low and so to me Juman ho back in 2014 or the one Bofrimo Brazil Ovini any one 4th FIFA World Cup trophy de ma woman say Hansi Flick ni Jumano aba bedru ne so captain I ne lead contingent on an team no especially on the field no papa your friend of Manuel Neuer or no do one call any captain or no so badge no betumi abone sama bibie tumi aye kama most caps player we tumi see kind of drop and so diama ene the Diamond Shaft no Luther Matthias on 150 appearances and on so to me make diama the Diamond Shaft no a woman so echo all-time top scorer branch friend Miroslav Klose 71 goals and on so to me as an all-time top scorer the Diamond Shaft national team no FIFA code in Germany wants to be honor say one draw in Germany the ebe chere say Germany no and no say net your friend FIFA code FIFA nkwa ano to me edema GER internet gay na bibie to me aye kama ho no mo sanso and I remember woman ahunfesuo no say netie ahunfesuo no white and a white and black sa nete ahunfesuo no sa na no so eti or currency FIFA rankings so no one da 11th and a woman so place ye buebremu FIFA World Cup na so no dia woman dey kono 11th position na woman so da ama nyoma etumi akonkan highest woman etumi place in the edos ye papa December 92 woman etumi place in first sanso na August 93, December 93, March 94, June 94, July 2014, and then June 2015, July 2017, September 2017, and June 2018. Nina afiye didi su nyina wo mutumi place first on the FIFA Coca-Cola ranking so enso amanyoma etumi akonkan lowest wo mutumi asete e ranking so no March 2006 wo mu so etumi eto so 22nd amanyoma so etumi konkan hona first international game wo mutumi boy after say wo register under FIFA anyoma etumi akonkan no wo mutumi boss a game we ba say wo Switzerland 5th April 1908 5th April 1908 and wo mutumi boy Switzerland and Ghana ball 2-0 wo mutumi boy Germany by 5-3 amanyoma etumi konkan biggest victory and so the diamond shaft no Germany 16 Russia 0 and so etumi so 1st July 1911 and etumi so honomo biggest defeat say team bi etumi akire na G and say Germany abo mo kado drop no England for no wo mo etumi etwa Germany so no by 9-0 etumi so 1908 and say no so no etumi so World Cup ayekwi wo mo so etumi akododo na 20 times out of 22 na chese World Cup nyina mienu pe ana eni no Germany entumi anko bia mani o manso no entumi anko nkan yamfa ma wo mo na chese wo hwa 42 numu anenam ena ni o manso entumi anko ye amfa ma wo na best results a wo motumi nya na chese wo mo ye champions 1954 wo mutumi J 74 wo mutumi J 1990 ana 2014 so no wo mutumi eje ya mani o manso no etumi akonka dem the diamond shafter bibia enso kama na ni odiri wo no enso boboko anaso manga ye from Costa Rica wo national soccer team no eno so wo ho no na owremu a wo mo de star bia wo mo nibi wo mo hye da mo bra bia nti wo mo su nibi na ene no wo mo ahotedin enso no La Sele the selection La Sele the selection womo dia no association no Fédération Costarricense de Football Fédération Costarricense de Football FCRF sana wo mutuanitia enso friend confederation no wo mo CONCACAF Central Africa America and the Caribbean country ho na wo mo so wo mo ene no northern part of ene America ho na wo mo so and I say yes central part of America yes UNICAF ho na wo mo so a ni wo mo konkan coach a wo mo ba one friend Luis Fernandez Suarez ono no de wo ba captain Brian Reeves ono de wo so no ba homa ni o metumi akonkan most caps Celso Borges 155 appearances ana we make jama wo mo ana ni all time top scorer no Rolando Fonseca enso etumi abo 47 goals nso no jama wo home stadium Estadio Nacional ana ene wo FIFA code no say netie on pese obebo Costa Rica ana uko bebi na one draw Costa Rica na hu CRC na ya football nsem kwa adia na chese ya Costa Rica CRC eno no woma hu fesio no all red top na shorts no all blue na ene host no so no red white and blue strips ene nemu ni adia second colors no so sa all white and blue strips ene nemu amani o metumi akonkan currently womo sitting on the FIFA Coca-Cola ranking no so 31st and womo da 31 ana wo so da highest a wo matumi place February March 2015 13th ana wo matumi eko place ana lowest a wo makokra July 1996 a wo matumi eto so 93rd enso wo ho first international match wo matumi boy Costa Rica 7 El Salvador 0 ekoso 1921 14th September biggest victory wo matumi nya say wo match rubi anom no dodo pa Costa Rica 12 Puerto Rico woman so no 0 and it to me so 1946 10th December and a course so biggest defeat so be actually Costa Rica no pa amako no dedim and so Mexico 7-0 Costa Rica August 1971 17th August and it to me so World Cup no one to me make 6 appearances this edition and so count and they making 6 appearances one more maiden edition eto course so 1990 and one more best results umanya say one more World Cup one more ya dedo pa and so to me course 2014 Brazil one more to me quarter finals amani man so to me konkan edema Costa Rica and so ene kakra and so free ba yenremu the Red Devils Belgium national football team no yenhwe se de nyoma ko omo so to me je World Cup da Royal Belgium na efi 1995 ana wo mso etumi form Emmanuel nyina enso etumi course na wo mrane no the Red Devils eno so any wo mdin association no Royal Belgian Football Association RBFA ana wo mso de na confederation na wo mo ase no Europe ana wo mso wonti UEFA ase ana ne wo mo hye head coach Roberto Martinez ana ode wo mo ko captain Eden Michael Kwabena Hazard ano no so lead wo a odi wo ko most caps no Jean Van Toghen sa play wo be hwie papa nti ono so no 141 games ana wetumi abo Jean Van Toghen any Adaveret me hu say wo mu nyina was scored nim ye sa so all time top scorer Romelu Minama Bolingoli Lukaku 68 goals ana wo metu ya hye home stadium King Bloodian Stadium na wo musu esi akan FIFA code no se wo man chro Belgium na football nkomo nko adia uhu BEL pe kire se Belgium ti bell na Belgium wo man hu fasio all red ana ase no so no shorts no black ni hosu ni so black ama ni wo metumi akonkan currently wo second on the Coca-Cola FIFA ranking ahead of the Mundial and then wo so position na chese wo modern po so ni papa open national team obobo pa wo biasi nyina otosu mienu currently international no highest a wo metumi place in November 2015 March 2016 September 2018 March 2022 ni nyina na wo at the first spot and so ho lowest a wo akokra 71st ana wo metumi akoda June 2007 ana wo koda our first international game a wo metumi boy Belgium 3 France 3 etumi akoso 1904 sanso ana biggest victory wo nya Belgium 9 Zambia 0 ana etumi koso Belgium 10 San Marino 0 ana ni nyina etumi akoso Belgium 9 Gibraltar 0 eno nso etumi akoso Belgium 9 San Marino 0 bio eno nso etumi akoso 2019 ya amani o konkan biggest defeat obi chere Belgium abon goals pa amani akodi dem enso England 11 2 Belgium ekoso April 1909 na chese sa 1909 no uko England wo ma bakwa semu a wo mo sha manfo papa sa time no obi anje da ni mbo sa appearances no say net 14th time out of 22 ana wo mo kwei inaugural edition ekoso enso Uruguay 1930 wo mo tumi koi best place a wo manya 2018 Russia yimu a wo mo tumi place ene no third position ana wo mo so tumi place ya manioma so no etumi konkan ti Belgium so no kakra ene enam wo mo ho enso eno no yenwie Canada short Canada wo men's national soccer team no ta na eno so etie wo nso no wo mbobra papa bia World Cup team star paade se wo mbenya bi wo bebre papa na wo nickname no the rest na bibi etumi kama association no Canadian Soccer Association CSA na bibi etumi kama confederation no wo nso CONCACAF na wo sub confederation womo nafu North America na chese northern side na womo so ebutu captain ode womo kosisi Atiba Hutchinson ono na ode womo captain head coach ode womo ko John Hedman ono no so lead most caps player we see akando do pa ediamasa national team yi enso Atiba Hutchinson na chese obetumi assign extend and then appearance no enso ediama group stages no go about 3 matches obeko 100 because group stages in ebedin so obetumi efrim akọ amanyoma konkan top scorer all time Cyril Larin 25 goals per on share down more brebia 25 goals per ana wetumi ahye home stadium various one more share any specific stadium one more see akan enso was so FIFA code into say ne ukohu Canada na say football matters na we hu say ya tro Canada na mmom ya tro CAN ana chan se ne abeka ni bia eno no Canada wo mo so no ahofasuo no all red one day womu ni she all red na nyoma itumi akonkan currently womu city 41st and so FIFA Coca-Cola ranking so highest womu itumi place 33 2022 ana womu itumi February nim ana course so lowest cra 122 2014 nyina womu Australia sha womu 3 first international game ama womu timu mienu biggest enewin na womu nyai Canada 11 Anna Cayman Island in Sunu 0 na just say we no one ball biggest defeat Mexico 8 Canada in Sunu 0 World Cup one ko 2 pe 1986 one one ko one first ana 2022 Qatar one ekwa ko piem one second best one aye kra group stage 86 one mutumi yai amanioma ekonkan Qatar Okuman Yenko Qatar 2022 Dari no ana midibesi AK
Canada no baba bi Alfonso Davis
yes
no anunso no amanfo
Sunday Ofigana ya
Ofi Canada
enyo no betra burumburu butumuru
Ofi Canada ntina Alfonso Davis and so top man
yes
by the Canadian side anunso ewo mutamanfo and channel so na amanfo ni jede hu say countries maybe say no don't top money na ya so that
yes
Bayern Munchen
omo never
so no ebe wuram tino ebe wuram Ghana Premier League and matches to dwa yewuram na yemfa results no and so no embra straightforward enya ibia anya brigo bia bre nko na indi nkomo Ghana Premier League and matches are to dwa results no say na tie Kotoku Royals atena fie zigi utim o chama Kotoku Royals no emfa and so what na lusu o tena fie ama Samatex ebe bona kabako when Arena Stars 2 we kum Chelsea 1 Asante Kotoko 1 Lagos Cities 1 in Sotroman FC 1 Tamale City 1 Great Olympics 2 RTU 1 Dreams FC our Theater of Dreams ayan Shanghai Amadino Bechem United ebe sent by 2 goals to 1 Karela 0 Ken Faisal 1 hey I like use our for you Bibiano Gold Stars 1 Mediama 1 and then match ebe to Jano our Ghana Premier League no say net 3 p.m. Ghana time our Accra Sports Stadium Accra Lions and Afinso had to folk and on Babo Shannon so say baso 3 p.m. Ghana time our Accra Sports Stadium the nation's Wembley Accra Lions and Afinso had to folk when Ghana Premier League nkoma and also no ayasemu ama go ya some baston na over za ya mere every 10 o'clock yeah that's home but you ba be din nkomo baransa na no ma men kanfo quick credit and investment microcredit and farmer safi oso bia be adwuma opo obe adwuma ntene bra na beji sika da fi so fa kwa adwuma se ni no ohia bosia da hye adwuma se adwuma no ekofo wo be se wo hye mudin na fi so san jorin ejina ne nan so dia ba na beji bosia eno quick credit na yansa o ye Ghana ni na kura Ghana card oba onsa abeka sika no bosi eni na hunya se oba be account bi anaba be tu susu bi onza bank wo ko je bosia onse be account wo anaba tu susu wo ansa na wama bosia quick credit dia entisa ebiem channel so say bosia on ma internet so ntone na social media na ko say quick credit ni a obwa asisi san microphone hu enya de ma bosia bia internet so freno 0302 200 390 0302 200 390 and 0596 920 833 0596 920 833 quick credit I say lending made simple Kojak Oracle pro code I say aboa na fin so etu wanum kankan e de free the amount oboa ne so no ahye so that say enka ne na ya nanam de bidie anybody atwi ese ene atwam nti ne Kojak Chaco toothpaste na ba wonya ne toothbrush na or the boss na fin so no onum nyina no etumi ada ho Kojak regular fluoride toothpaste no ene so ho e de ma mo a ene no kaka nti ne ice water dey ice water untume nom ti kura na ado a untume nom jaza ode bibia nka onse no so that say kwadu kura de ma say bom kura na ebe den e de ma ninya say kaka aje osa aboso nti onya regular fluoride toothpaste no bia and so be sensitive mouthwash and so choose bia fa pusu anum ugo pm pharmacy chemical herbal shop so a osa be kebi Koja Farmer and so no kan si drug lane Accra bowrem na fin so ma sanka Kojak Oracle ni bi pro code so da ba uti na ya code and so nya bia ebetu ase e de free wo and so no e de ma e ba be din komo ene Ghana etumechi Switzerland e se na kam you know went to mat we international friendly teams ni nyina e de bobo ma especially in titiro no na e need the Black Stars of Ghana echi player selection players and performance coach and approach tactics formation ohun saying why don't channel Fafa 0551667755 0551667755 Austin waha Austin joining our studio no so ebe wura na fin so yedi san common crobia and so e waha AK me so bitem and game na me hunu sa chenia ma bibiri ewom na brantik yi Daniel Kofi kire no obi se ne message say AK na boy na den mo bench ne sa that ni nyina kemfu ano players no doso ti bi bebo na bi atena chiri Austin wa me na kwa ba Austin bibia kama
nyame ado make bibia kama
twe microphone be ka say bibia kama
nyame ado bibia kama
okay nti na o che game ni bi
na me che game ni bi pa na me ka say to me there I was impressed the performance no ne how our team no carry you omo ho no e ma me kai 2006 abra na e be ko World Cup no e ma me kai pa your team no nye strong to say 2006 there no but me nye ni da so bi
yemche players performance individual players be our best and go out Now, what come was coach, tactics, then approach, or they call game no more formation. You know, to other selection, you selection, no, say, no, I need to selection, no.
Selection by the many answer because I was expecting saying car, yeah, down land. You know, I down land of free hano or no better punim, but the coach in the pay and I would choose to go far at Tizigi, but in Atizigi or impress me.
Let me start Tizigi.
For the first 30 minutes now, I say in the confident level no form, but I say a book I can call first half in the buy no. Where the touches. Aso tumi bobo na kura bi one am atemu ne Salisu what is the connection no abede up kakra me atizigi die me personally o kase yemfa na ko world cup anka me minjindi see ye blaster mu ye ko world cup see ye keeper ne atizigi but ene no ama me hu bibi say yemfa arrange ni mu obetumi ne aye bibi odo die den go so he players ene omkobo like Bruno Fernandes, Ronaldo,
Bernardo
Silva, mo. Any ball mutumia ball within World Cup last year. A cameraman kwan dia ke maintain no. Na me empepre ye ho kase obi a wasa me come o ye kase wasa no ho bi. But any game na ma hene ne no amanya ni da so bi. In the biemu ye Baba Rahman. Baba Rahman a player bi a tournament ye squad di buy nipa question one ho pa e Baba Rahman all because of say Jeffrey Shop anko Baba akọ na Baba nso obi ka say Timo na ba nti say Baba akọ dia say Baba nya akọhwie pe Timo na animagu ase coach animagu ase nti Baba ne dia say eni nyina ho ne Baba no ball ne no wa impress me wa kire de nti a on say coach ni be ka say one scout slow ye na then nti na ma Baba na betumi ama reason why nti a ya fresh up Baba betumi a tell obetumi abobo ni ye am ya ka say oh ene say ya fresh up die eye because ene me hwe bo na bi mu ka say oh Baba bo die ya fresh up die ya say sisi eh na say Baba no betumi abobo ni ye a yen ka say ya fresh up nti me performance ni die and the man of the match ni die be din
na man for ka say be but to me man of the match Manfama Salisu Ameribama Baba Rahman. Yes, Manfama Salisu Ameribama Baba Rahman. Is an say Bobo now no ding. Yes, Kovic make changes, but when more minutes. It's a Yabekanesa. Chabrante Onyani debut game at my Black Star Salis Samid. Only performance saying
Salis, you know, you're starting and who say oka me fedes no hono. Me am shame say obi a ye World Cup pa ye ko World Cup pa Brazil for ball friendly match any other teams no omo de omo squad nya na ye den ebo nti coach na me expect say bia Partey bi Kudus bi ba me hu say eye Salis ebo no ene na me ka say ne performance ni de team ni nyina coach na ye adwuma ase enie won ho na kasa bebere nso won ho nti pressure na da no so no anya mfiri no so na oye no say bia akokwasa ene ye ni 1 week kura World Cup na say bebe fi ya mo 2 matches ni as e bi master te ba ene fans ni bi di omo be fa baabi so be fa baabi say Brazil bi dwane nti I was impressed Salis the performance na so when the touches or head the wa or jibbo na on pre no gidi the ball money na kwa say o defensive or more defensive be ene no okonani bebre so ye den e kan e ma me hu ni say patempo pra ya me fa sambo ba patempo pra e World Cup na say patempo e ka say pate pra di
say ball e bi anu kuku ago pra dire ball
say patempo antumi ambo bia ye wani da so bi say your midfielder bi wo ha obetumi abompo asenia pate e boy no ba me wo problem bi wo Timones bi mu e say ba ko tenase
Black Star Ghana for there.
Oh, Timones wo mu. Omo mi no se ba ko tiase na ba ko trase. Because obi ni nua.
Why?
Obi ni nua. Ye Jordan ni dida yu. E se ba ko tiase na ba ko trase.
Why na wo susu se o trase. Ana why na se obo.
Pe players ye kutai de. O de yemfa mpanidie na ma dida yu na Jordan trase.
Jordan are you?
Because Kudus be Bobia. Ese ba ko tenase. Assume say.
Because I know Partey Kudus nyana mobi. And Oba Ghana you set up on my first definitely these two players best started.
Yeah.
And then maybe they say Partey Oba midfield wa between Elisha Owusu and Salis ba ko be ko bench. Na Partey abesho. Out front na Kudus say ba no. Inaki definitely will start. Jordan the day are you? Say na kan say ba ko bench.
Ese ba ko tenase. Because your Kamal
Soa.
Ana
Kamal din so.
Kamal din so. Bomb bono. And what did I read Ninu and my end? And yet 2010 as a moon. We are 2022 World Cup Qatar in Yako. Into my son, Mamma Mokasa Tenase. It yen to me moving crab. I can't go back as say, what Tenase near Bonnie.
Don't you think Zebia Mumi and you fit into the system of a coach Otuado, and as one of them fit into the system of Otuado, and your Mumi and so more heavy discussion can say senior or the member Tenase, and now senior how they bought Nametanase, a system of coach Otuado Ebono, and I saw Muba can I'm using your fit into Krana. You allow the coach no on your idea.
Young fantasy about 4-3-3. Methodist near Bob Party Salisu near Bob. Eda Elisha Owusu or Kufichi Krana. Front train. Did I you a hobby or Bepeso Bobby? Jordan Bepeso Bobby. You were Inaki Williams Bepeso Bobby. In your command, Dean. And now
your Kudus
Suho. But to make us a main form of memorable Kudus. Nama Bobo Command Suleiman. Nama Bo Inaki Williams. Kudus ni say ya de ni na ba Kudus ni so a Kudus betumi ama more goals impose Jordan you because Jordan you ni ball no obo no odo do impress or the ball run or skillful but yen de pa ni go ball ni be efe ba bre wa bi o fi no na nye ball na efe no o pe o so ye be se go blaster she sen ino no wote a e be ne de me maami o fi anye onim information bi onim si we bo say ye ti go a na obehuri nani baje Naki Williams betumi ama ego obetumi kwa ball free left side aba obetumi su kwa ball free right side edi aba obetumi so astani as typical number 9 edi amaye nti me ka me nko ade a ka Jordan you ni de entwentwen do de panin bebo bi on leadership ni nti obobo yen sama ma park ni so nti no ono be ma nye hwe ba eketwa ne ntiase na because obo 4-3-3 onya bi mo ye bo information we na party ba da 4-2-3-1 so onya bi mo nti ka me nko ade anka Jordan no entiase na ontenas na ye boy ye sha obobo ne nsama ba obo free bench so aba mbo bi.
Okay, I know Austin on so no dey aba crop ya nya share game ni bi any idea yeah
so dia o mani betum ana
ebre ni ko gumenum so dos mo
nti fa o mani tumu mom na wo fe no ni fem
okay okay entino mama akwenya na so no frɛ bra game no share bi ya hu ye ene ne also observe ye ne awgi se coach Otuado eya beboa woni so team no player ben na woni so no titire 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 0205 818 748 and offer ebe for Samsung WhatsApp no so betuma frɛ area for 0551 66 7755 0551 66 7755 wa me class kata ye kata yanko kata nyina live commentary aye be ba during a World Cup nyan erade na aye bakery erade na aye bakery hot oven ana no omukura yemu a ye kokata me se brodo de eye South Asia brodo ema oyemu tim ye ne a ingredient enim South Asia onya ne aniama wom nutrients ne wom a oyemu ntim onyi so a onyi yie honam no eto so kama akwada na me buy di on pay breakfast ne nyana se oyeti na onfa brodo papa nka ho akoto ne achin bia na de ato akwada na ondi ba man hot oven bread na brodo na ono so bedi na afin so wada wase biem ye sugar bread butter bread brown bread fruit bread white bread cake bread and afin so no sandwich burger meat pie ewo ho and afin so no cakes chips ne nyina no erade na aye bakery hot oven and akofa ede aba me favorite no and so no aye cake bread no and baby girls and be fia na betwa kakra and amomo enya de omeko obeda na afin so no what did you aka ni nyina ama bibia aye kama and also the pastries how do nyina no you will be and also any hot oven and she say and so no eno no intene oba yedo nyama na kama yedo fam na acheche nyama no so oba na obedi wo ho na abesa odoko ni nyina no oba hot oven aso ya and also ebi ewo ho ye kira kwan ewa ye tema matayoko akosumo ekwan no so a ho ben oye Omari Hospital junction no ho pe and ni hot oven and so no ewo intene freying store so no maka chensa fi me backgrounds no hot oven wo ustoma store no betum medanze bluru papa de say o de ma manfo enti free hot oven 0544 107 016 0544 107 016 na fin so no ono hot oven endi enkomo Ofla Construction and Real Estate Ofla Construction and Real Estate Mr. Abrabona ye bono ebi be si dan ebi be to dan ebi be so be hire manfo dan enti ne ontumi hire anaza ontumi nsi na be hire ni nya no ko Ofla Real Estate adan ni bu ho nsa ebeka sa so na ontumi hire obese usi a eno so Ofla Construction yan so ibesi enso no e de amount yeton adan si ehun ni amount so ya say iron rods and cement ye wo sa so na marine boards ye de floor and afin so no plywood yeton bi block size bi ape inches bi ape onsa ebeka sanso na abo ane anwea gravels a yedi anase yedi construction no eni Ofla Construction and Real Estate yanso yakofa enso no edi aba real estate developing and also ho frame a yebaba na finso estate no abesi enso no edi ama ban general construction so a Ofla Construction and Real Estate yanso no ye ewo ya so ye wo amono kroma kwapem ye head office ho ene ye wo amono kroma kwapem I want a head office no and so obosoma say kwapem so no udu wo ha Ofla so no our branch and so Kofodia and so no Ofla Construction and Real Estate yes so no ye wo ho ntimuntie ni ye abel fontin ta kese no so no ko a www.oflaconstructionlimited.com www.oflaconstructionlimited.com and also no visit wa ubenya yen ewo ho social media handles no and so Ofla Construction Limited Ofla Construction Limited and also social media. Freyen 0552 957 198 0552 957 198 and 0594 635 656 0594 635 656 and 0502 808 992 0502 808 992 and 0279 012954 na fin so free Ofla Construction and Real Estate na wadan se huni amano also for dine executive pub eso no eso yimu a yanso no yereba ya ne no pe bi atena bi anonom atwetwa bi adidi a ni nya no executive pub e we kopon akuapem ye ben major pharmacy e we kopon intending say we say ye reception bi mo ya sitting bi a ni nya no executive pub a eno so ni abedi ope fufuo e di ope banku aduane awudo obi a pese odi no eno so no oko executive pub a eno so no ebi wo yeton provisions so e wo ho intending no ukopim executive pub a onsa ebeka say na mekan ye ben major pharmacy e kopon akuapem e ho ene wo for 0242 501 279 0242 501 279 Otomo Enterprise and so say o provisions nyano fa na fa badan open wholesale retail ni nyano ba and so benya bi awoye Otomo Enterprise Abuasa Market opposite Brackets Inn ope and Otomo ntino boarding house for na school for no ano mo kwa won ka chema wo for say Otomo Enterprise and any mo provisions ni nyina on famra and as monko na mo go di side dwan wo me wo say ayi for na ba PC for training college for maba is say aduane show to school into mu nidi bo provisions no aduane kura new school into provisions no momra Otomo Enterprise na mo beto ebo ne da form boko itu ba na ope bia say milo say oat say milk say mo bibia anwa ni nyina no ba Otomo Enterprise a musa abeka Abuasa Market no enso no opposite pe ho ana e wo free Otomo Enterprise 0542 945 667 0542 945 667 K Asare and Company Limited and also no say yenim komo K Asare and Company Limited say no dealer out say ebano rocks aboa kese akese ane emu nketo a yedi sidan obi nti no nhia but once say praise before Christ almost say a dying paint so ma to ma bre so ma say to omo to ehun ebo the work say nya won mo K Asari and Company Limited abo no so no monsa ebeka abo no de da fom boko ne bo nya chinchine sa ntene no eno so kọ na afin so no oni no eni nkomo that ya say ye che kwan enso na akwapo na kwapem Kingdom Estate Junction Ope and K Asari and Company Limited ya so no ya wo friend 0558 402 229 0558 402 229 and I said 0209 880 600 and then K Asari onu amuso no endi enkomo na mi wura mu ha na zana piga so abai ayen the next time famrantem na so no enye ntem ready food obo e come de na obedwen say da be na me ba ko market na makodi dwa na ma be no a ebi ba ko na obi di asa anasa gas oso a fu hwinim ni nya no adwendwe internet ready food say ni wo fie wo say odidi wo adwuma wo say odidi a eni no wo frɛ na aduane bi apɛ yɛde bɛbrɛw tie aduane bi apɛ bia no yɛn so yɛ den yɛde bɛbrɛw na aduane na wo tɔ na nkasa discount yɛ den ɛwɔ so discount ɛnso no ɛwɔ so ntɛni no wo frɛ ready food a nso no nsabɛka discount no ɛyɛ ni no 10% to ɛyɛ okay actually na okay nti discount no ɛno so frɛ nsabɛka na ɔso run promo so ate ase free food Tuesday and Friday bia no ɔkyɛ aduane free food so ate ase nti ɛna da bɛn ya ɔda ɛkyɛ fiada ready ate nti ɛkyɛ fie me ka sɛ ɛkyɛ fie wo bɛkyɛ aduane nti no ɛno so ɛno no ɛne no sanye delivery so ate ase nti delivery no sɛ ɔwɔ fi ekropɔ na fi aburi abɛsɛ nkɔka edu krom no bibia abɛsɛ yɛ ho delivery ɛnso na ma no ɔrebɛma sɛ ne wato adeɛ ɛwɔ edu krom wo bɛsɛ ɔbɛsɛ de kɔ aburi unya ka mfa ma wo frɛ ready food a ɔba bɛfa ɛde akɔ ɛde ama na afin so wa deliver kama ɛnya ade a wa ade ɛbɛ yera okwan so ɛnka ne yɛ mena ade a na aka kwan so na yera okwa akɔ bisa wan okɔ hwɛ wan nti ne no ready food sɛ bibia ɔbɛsɛ ɔde mane efi aburi abɛsɛ nkɔpem edu krom o frɛ ready food a ɔbɛ deliver ɛnso no ɛde ama o the kyerɛ kwan the office ɛnso no old council hɔ yɛ bɛn fire service ɛwɔ ekropɔ no ɔhɔ ana ne ready food ɛso frɛ no 0595 241 719 0595 241 719 na afin so no delivery no ready food so no enye emfa emma enso nyame ye choba say ni wadidi obi be say onidi ya dia tie ko na afin ko pie mu e wo eye enso nyame ye choba duro na frɛ no oforuwa choba say ye emutuo konkonte ana ekro bia de no pe banku ane nkruma nkwan ana se fufuo enso ne live soup enkate nkwan ni ope konkonte de ope mana wa na edi ope ni nya no ai oforuwa choba bowram aduane bi apɛ no obedi obanso adwuma fo no monum te ntoma serve kama na afin so wadidi ama ho aba enye bebi akekene edidi bebu akodidi a say saa opa mo wansena saa unsa akobo aduane na ahwe agu na so oforuwa choba de ente saa oba kama hot ohwam enyom kama so dasie obese odidi na ahwe TV a ni nya no oforuwa choba bowram na afin so no wadidi ama ho aden ato manfia kwapem ene wo ofa manfia new road na onsani fa so bo se ni no enso nyame ye ofuru achoba ye nso ye wo ho ye orders so ate ase ye orders ntie ni no wo suku bi wo di dwumadi bi na bese ye nu aduane ede mawa eno so no ye ofre ya eno so ba be ye ede amawo 0242 017 553 0242 017 553 na friends so nyame ye na aduane no akudi ama won so no Atumato. We Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies. Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies. IPS. I say you do come up. Tie suku dia unya. Suku. Unya pa. Wango suku a obebre awa sitinem. Ni omenya yi na wanza nkon suku dia. O dia waso ye be hyerom. Ntene no suku no wasebra na afin so no besia ade atija fo ekira de ne de omunya abotre ekirew ema wote ase ansa na ni omako anim enye teacher ni bi okwa me de ahu aja mabrew da bi sa teacher fo no ebi enye den eni wo ntene yo senior high school ewo ho technical and vocational remedial classes nso no of there no omoye bi remedial so no omotwiro bi ewo ho enti anonso channel so na senior high school courses na ye ni business science general arts home economics visual arts we do bi ade wo business science general arts, home economics, and afin so visual arts. Yes, so air technical and vocational. It's in the same mechanic media so so wa control we feel amfa. Ye dey am mo abomu why ukọ control media so e Loma Vista Institute of Professional Studies also obe pass hostel e wo ho nti no bra e be jew na afin so a kire ode ama also wa pass e dey akọ anim open chire mu bia free 0208 692 042 0208 692 042 and 0243 976 685 na afin so kopie mu Lomstar and Loma Loma Vista IPS or see educate challenge and inspire and also need the no ye de be see abrana so ame boa e chena ifiada thank God it's Friday e be tena say mo zisu biem zisu fantastic enti anonso no me producer nyeze kagum sa oba no ti anonso ame boa chena e be tena say ne edi nkomo cheno so say any hot oven offla construction okuma na yenko kata kwesiada e shasie e ofia all the games bro 20th of November e kopim 18th of December fantastic commentary analysis ni nyina no ye de baba team ni solid edusu a obeti enka kwesiada e be shasie bare chena ye baba memeda no panso no fi anopa 10 am no kopim eye 12 pm ni nyina so no e baba ziya wan na menkan no emayo ntina no so behwe na bibibia so na enkoso nti anonso no executive producer area Kofi Anson bafo na Kofi Okorajman head of sports producer extraordinaire Krobia Sante Otenenka Austin baby why over me phone so na already WhatsApp message ever before you private you you bibi anywhere ntino anonso no Krobia Otenenka dia man nsem by Austin Otenenka sanso na Donzi ana afin so no John Mark we produce and cast so ha the need the William say JB atwa to paper so ha na me bo o say Levina so ha abo echidom crowd as okay Lemina no yi no na sabi a baby o ya ko na bo echina e ba na fin so to as Kelvin Ampon said the anybody come here muchum
Higher, higher, higher. Higher, higher, higher. You know what it is. Higher, higher, higher. Higher, higher, higher.
Hey, FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. Yanko Qatar live on Akuma 97.1.
If it is 20th November, the kwasi 18th December, 32 countries. Yeah, the 64 games nina live commentary at the April on Akuma Radio 97.1.
Achadi ni die bebreke predict and win ebekoso during the live commentary on Akuma 97.1.
Shannon so say Akuma ni Yanko Qatar jumadi no yerebe brel ewo aboboano.
Sa opasa samre obo ye chidoma ubetimi afre number say this way 0549012454 and 0246435565. Restaurant, bars, ankra samre mupasa mubo ye chidom akonya wo homa mo se mo be frɛ ne enu madinsa wo so Yanko Qatar 2022 ewo Okuman 97.1 radio.
Okuman Yanko Qatar World Cup 2022 eni yensia
Okoma Radio 97.1. Hey, Okoma Radio. Okoma Radio 97.1.